Hi, friends! It's me, Splash! Today I'm visiting someone very special in Bloop Town. Come meet my friend!
This is Willow. Willow is a tree, and Willow changes all year long, one season at a time. In spring, tiny pink blossoms pop open on Willow's branches. Splash, doesn't Willow look pretty today? In summer, Willow grows big leafy branches for cool, cozy shade. Perfect for a splashy summer nap. Splish, splash! Playing near Willow keeps me cool on hot summer days. Water and shade, best friends. When fall comes, Willow's leaves turn orange, red, and gold, then float down like colorful confetti. Let's help Willow tidy up. Raking leaves together makes a cozy little pile. And it's fun, too. In winter, Willow's branches go bare, and she rests quietly under a soft blanket of snow. Even resting trees need love. Splash wraps a warm scarf around Willow's trunk to keep her extra cozy. We can care for trees every season, giving water, keeping the ground clean, and saying hello often. Willow grows and Willow changes spring, summer, fall, and snow. Every season we're still friends, that's how seasons go. Thanks for visiting Willow with me today. Be curious, be kind, and take care of our world. Bye-bye, friends! Thanks for learning with me today, friends. I hope you discovered something new. If you had fun, follow along for more writing adventures with me. See you next time!